Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to link your iPhone to your Samsung Smart TV. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are trying to link their iPhone to their Samsung Smart TV. How do you actually go ahead and do that? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But first things first, you want to make sure that your TV and your iPhone are connected to the same exact Wi-Fi network, okay? So make sure that both devices are connected to the same exact Wi-Fi network, because that's often a reason why people can't connect their iPhone to their Samsung Smart TV. Next, grab your remote and then scroll to the left where it says settings. And then from here, you want to navigate to where it says general. And then from here, you want to navigate to where it says Apple AirPlay settings. So click on Apple AirPlay settings. So on this page here, you want to make sure that AirPlay is turned on. If it says off, you're just going to click on it once again so that it's turned on. Next, grab your phone and unlock it, and then swipe down to pull up the control panel, and then click on this icon here that says screen mirroring. So under this page here, you're going to see your Samsung Smart TV. Click on your Samsung Smart TV, and then there you have it. You have now linked your iPhone to your Samsung Smart TV. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and link your iPhone to your Samsung Smart TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.